Hey everyone, today we are back with a new subscription box to show you. This is the Mysteries in Time subscription box, which is aimed at kids aged between around 6 and 11, and it focuses on geography, world history, culture, and lots of fun learning opportunities. So this is our first time trying out this particular subscription box, and we can't wait to show you what's inside. So let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so in each pack you get your little welcome note which tells you what's inside. So you get your magazine, a book which is a chapter book, which is a good one to read with the kids, sticker sheet, bookmark, and then you've got your giant world map which is in your welcome pack. And you get to meet the characters that feature in the magazine and in the books. So let's get to it. Okay, so we are about to do our little digging activity. Unfortunately, the tools were missing out of the box, so we happen to have some from a craft kit that we've done before. So we'll use the ones that we already have, thankfully. Not a big deal. It's really cute little pyramid shape. My daughter just found the tools on the floor after we finished, so that's just kids throwing things around too much. So our tools were in there after all, we didn't need to use that rain. So that is how they look. Nice little cute ones, so your activity takes a little time to do. Okay, so we have just had a bit of a play with the Mysteries in Time box. What do you guys reckon?
It was really good.
And fun?
Yeah.
Did you learn some cool new things?
Yeah.
And what's this guy?
He's a mummy.
A mummy. Was it fun pulling him out of the pyramid?
Yeah.
What was your favourite activity?
I like digging.
Yeah.
I like revealing him.
Yeah, you made your pyramid.
Yeah.
And now we've got a book to read together as well. So we hope you enjoyed having a look inside of the Mysteries in Time box. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comments below, and we'll drop a link in the description as well so you can check them out for yourselves. Bye everyone.